Hi, Daniel here and welcome to another one of my product review videos, and today you're going to be looking at a digital indoor thermometer made by ThermoPro. It's available from Amazon for around for around £10 at the time of making this video, which was November 2020. It has a lot of features on it. Just flick through the pictures a minute and I'll show the actual product itself. So if you're looking at buying this, then I'm hoping this video is of some use to you. It's got a thermometer, hygrometer, comfort indicator, min-max records, and it can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And that's it in action. Just saying how accurate it is. Okay, so this is, as I say, this is about £10, available from Amazon. That's what it should look like, and this is what we have. So it comes in a little box like this, nothing more, nothing less. Indoor humidity and temperature monitor. I just want this to show me the temperature basically, and it's the TP50 model. Okay, it's got a seal on top. Looks like it's got a battery included, a few information leaflets, and the main price. So we obviously got the bubble wrap to protect it. What we've got here, just feedback and Amazon related bits. You've got a full user manual in different languages, German, Italian and Spanish. Is there any English in there anywhere? Nope, doesn't look like there's any English in the manual, which is a bit weird. This is not English as well. Okay, whatever. But there is a second manual that has English and French, so that's fine. Just gives you some information about exposing it to high temperatures, etc. Don't do that. Tells you about everything on there. We'll go into that in more detail in a minute. Okie dokie, right. So this is the device itself. You've got like a protective cover on the front. Nice finish, ThermoPro. Couple of things straight away. It's got a magnet on the back, and it looks like it's got a little stand as well to get that out. So you take the battery out and you can get to the stand here. Sorry. So that just pops out like that, so you can have it stood wherever you want, or you can have it on the side of like a fridge. There's also a control for Fahrenheit and Celsius. Try and get this battery out of here. Right, that was difficult doing that with one hand, but I've managed to do it. So just put that in there. So it takes one AAA battery, and they do include a super long life. That just pops in there, that just goes in there like that, like normal compartments do. So it's up and running now. 27.9 Celsius, 41% humidity, and it gives you the, just take this protective film off, and it gives you the low and high, but obviously the longer this is on, it'll work that out for you. And also does it, so you've got your humidity at the top, and you've got the low and the high humidity, you've got the current temperature, and you've also got the low and the high temperature. And we can switch this with on the back with between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So it's at Celsius at the moment with the C, so we switch to Fahrenheit. That's what you get there. So it's literally just pressing at the back and switches. Right, thanks for watching. So as I said, if you are looking at buying this, or hopefully this video helps you making your decision. Thanks.